Welcome to HB classes. This is Haribabu. Today I am going to explain how to convert infix expression into the postfix expression. So you can watch the previous video also, which I have explained. This is going to be very useful. So these are the two rules we are going to follow for the solving as any kind of infix expression into the postfix expression. I have explained these rules how to apply it in the previous video. Now directly I'll proceed into the question. So first I am going to take the bracket. The bracket will be pushed to the stack. So here only we are going to write operands. The next one is what? A. A will be moved to the expression. The next is what? The plus sign. So A I have written as it is. Then the B. B I have pushed to the expression because this is the operands we are going to write here. The next one is the closing braces. Plus closing braces. Now I have explained also in the previous video, whenever it is a close any operator with the bracket, it will be moved to the expression. When it moved to the expression, here we'll write the plus. Then the stack is going to be empty. Then take it as the next one. Next, what is the symbol is there? Slash. So slash is going to be here. AB plus. The next what is the operand is there? C. C will be pushed to the expression. C will be pushed to the expression. Then again, the multiplication sign. So now here we are writing as a 2 sign. So now here we are writing as a 2 sign. Look at carefully here. Now this 2 sign are having as a equal priority. This 2 sign has a equal priority. When it has the equal priority, what it says here? So if your low priority or equal priority of the symbol is scanned, other high priority symbol is waiting in the stack, then the waiting symbol will be moved. So here what? This already the slash was waiting in the stack. When the slash is waiting in the stack, so this symbol is going to move to the expression. This symbol is going to move to the expression. So when this symbol is going to move to the expression, because this 2 symbol has an equal priority, that is what it is going to move to the next level. So now what is going to write it? Next, here we are going to write the slash. The multiplication sign is going to remain. Whatever the previous symbol is there, it is going to move to that. Now next one, D. So now here what is remaining here? The multiplication is remaining. So we'll write the AB plus C slash D. C slash D. Next is what? Minus sign is there. The minus will write it here. So when I write the minus here, now look at here. So minus is contains the lower priority than the multiplication. Minus has a lower priority than the multiplication. So the multiplication will move to the expression. The multiplication will move to the expression. This will move to the expression. Then E is there. Now here what is the sign is in the stack? Minus is remaining here. AB plus C slash D multiplication. E we are writing into the expression. So you remember always operands we are going to write into the expression, operators we are going to write into the stack. So now here what is remaining here? The E value also we have written here. So is there any value to push into the stack? Since there is no value to push into the stack, at the last we can write the last operator, whatever the remaining operator is, we can write into that. So answer we are going to get it as a AB plus C slash D multiplied by E minus. This is the result we are going to get it. So I hope you understood. Thank you for watching.